Flying quietly over my house. They've never done this. They would never be over there anyways. They'd be over here above my head, torturing me, harassing me, persecuting me, mind-fucking me with Korean tactics. Nazi bullshit. He wouldn't be over there. All my other videos show they're not away from me. They're not silent. There's the wall in the foreground. See him acting like he's so good, making his big arrogant turn like that's right, you can't get me up here. I have so many videos of him doing that, tearing around, so a silent video is just as good. It's actually more incriminating, so I do know why, because they're stupid. You can see him right there doing circles, all proud and arrogant because he's a half-wit dumbass, low life, doesn't know any better.